Look, with your suggestions in your 7-step protocol, I can honestly say my life has changed. What an amazing improvement. I mean, the sharp pain in the palm of my hands and my legs is gone. I used to have a problem even typing on the computer, but now I can do that again. I can actually get some work done. I've even started jogging again, and I could walk my dog and play with her, and just, my life is, I feel like I've got my life back. And the restless nights are gone, and I can sleep like a baby now all night long. I wake up rested and no more of that numbness and burning feeling I used to have in my feet. It's gone. I mean, it's crazy. I'm really impressed by the progress I've made. And without your encouragement, I think the relief in my neuropathy symptoms would have never happened. So I'm really excited about the program, and I'm telling everybody I know about this. And I'm really happy that I found your webpage and watched your video. The transformation has been life-changing for me. I feel like I got my life back. So thank you.